Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my vlog. I always appreciate you guys checking in on my video. It's been a while since I had ordered 2 parts for my car. As I told you in the last video, and I showed you that I ordered 2 parts, but I still haven't even get around to put them on as yet. It's been a busy time at work for me, so I just want to show you guys what they are and my plans. Because even though I'm going to show you it right now, they're not going to get to put on onto the car right away. Because there's a second part that I need to do to them. Alright, so I'm going to show it right now. So this is one. And this is the other one. Alright, so these 2 parts that I bought online, they came last week, but as I said, I've been so busy, I still haven't even get to check them out thoroughly as yet, but these are the guys. So I bought a pair of rotors for my car, front rotors. These are the slotted and the proof-gated one that is, what do you call it now? Heat propelling, I think. Yes, guys, so these are the 2 rotors that I bought for my car. A pair of it. Also came with a pair of this pad. Let me see if the other one comes with also. Yeah, so these are them, guys. Yeah, so a little upgrade for the car, a little more stopping power, I should say a little more cooling power in the stopping. Alright, and another set of brake pads, this pad for them. Also some hardware for the calipers. So that for that box. The other box, guys, is a similar part. And these are some brand new calipers. Also bought a pair of calipers, guys. So yeah, they come with a little bit of hardware, which is a bolt for securing the brake fuel line. And as usual, you know, they come with their own hardware to secure where the brake pad goes into, and the little metal section that goes above the brake pad. So, 2 of them. This is one. And this is the other one. Alright, so guys, I'm not going to be able to put these on in this video. However, there's one more thing that I need to do to these calipers, right? And I want to color them. However, I don't decide which colors yet. I'm thinking red, or I have some trims on the car, as you can see my last little design on the car. I am also thinking to get that spray. I don't know yet. Comment in the comment section and tell me what color you think I should spray these calipers in. Right now I have some yellow ones on there, right? I had sprayed those a long time ago. They're now old and look tarnished. So I want to go with either red or that greenish color that I have on the car right now. Tell me what you think. Alright, guys? Today though, the rest of this video is basically going to be linking up with some friends of mine, and we're going to be visiting a school. However, it's not much that goes on in this video. This is just to unveil these for you guys and to tell you what's coming up. I'm going to spray the calipers, and I'm going to do that in a separate video. But today I'm going to show you now, you know, these schools, they're having their career day and they have motor day. Like today we're going to this school, Jamaica College, they're having their motor day. Usually they'll invite car groups, like, custom car groups and certain kind of cars to come and show off to the kids and, just give them a nice day. So I should be rolling out to that today. Alright guys, I'm going to show you. Thanks again for joining me, and like the video if you do like this content. This is just my passion. I try to do stuff to my car by myself and stuff like that, and I just want to share with you guys. So if you do like the video, just press that like button, and if you don't subscribe as yet, subscribe to my channel, please. It would mean a lot to me. So here we are guys, rolling up on the grounds of the Jamaica College, just for a short little break, my lunch break. I just decided to roll up with the crew. Chance to see this AMG GT. I saw it at the UWI car meet, but I didn't get a chance to view it that well because the crowd was so thick then, and it was actually in the night. So here you go again guys, this beautiful AMG GT.
freebeats.io